Hey guys, welcome to Nargid Home Improvement. All right, my people, for the first time, I'm going to show you my before and after jobs. So check out this powder room, guys. Don't forget what it looked like. Yep, this is the hallway. We're going into the kitchen right now. Yep, so my client says she wants a big kitchen. It's a little small room, but we're going to make it work. You get what I mean? She says she need a little addition outside too. So I got to remove half of that deck that I built a couple years ago and do an addition. As you can see, I realize this is a nice bearing wall over here. So I can only shrink that wall so much, you know? So let's see. So today is demolition day. You know, we taking everything apart. Have to do lots of electrical, plus removing all the cabinets. We start the framing outside. We did the foundation already. Yeah, so, no framing's done. We're on the roof, putting on some, some plywood. Yeah, we're on track, We're on track. This is day 5 on the job. Removing all the tiles, decided that, you know what, let's get everything done. So removing all the tiles, as you can see. We have the jackhammer. We don't want to shake the whole place down, so I do them manually. Yeah. So right now, we're trying to, the plan for over here is a open concept. We had shrink the wall down about, say, 8 inches. So at least the island won't look too bad. You can see each other from the side to side, Yeah, that's the plan. We're thinking about putting like on this wall here, the stove there. We're gonna shift the stove a little bit, bring it up in the center of the kitchen, and over here we want to put we're gonna put the fridge with a pantry with a crystalliera, where you put all your crystals, your fancy glasses. And so that's the plan that's I've been designing for everything. Yeah, so far. So a lot of things we have been doing, and it is a process. So right now the window over here, we want to raise it up so the kitchen cabinet will thing, and over there we shrink the door a little bit to give them a little broom closet over here. So we're going to remove that, but there's a lot of things on back order. Yeah, so this is how far we reach with the addition. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now, as you can see. Look at it. Look, guys. Thank you. My mic wasn't working so good when I did the video. Yeah, man. So this is where we're at right now. It's a little nook, but my main plan was to, make it be an open concept so the kitchen looked bigger. But my client, she was in Europe and she said she want not a linen closet, a broom closet. So we did some nice east draft and stuff. Yep, guys, so it's been looking good. I hate this yellow color, but the client's picking another color. Not my favorite, but I give her a little option. What's going on, everybody? Yeah, so yeah, we're here doing some tiles. You don't know, as you can see what's going on. That's me over there. My mic wasn't working so good, so I turned around, had to voice over everything. So yeah, this is a 2x48 tile. It's a pretty big tile. Really loved it, and I think everything is taken in shape. Yeah, well, we had like most of it done within 2 days. As you can see, look, nice, isn't it? I know, lovely. But yeah, the floor color over there, I wanted to sand it and change it, but you don't know. Everything costs extra money, right? Yeah, so we close off there. The door didn't come as yet. So for right now, we're waiting for the door. Yep, so this is what everything's look like. The kitchen before the countertop go in. Yeah, this is what the kitchen looked like. And yeah, everything look amazing. Yep, guys, everything look great. Look at, that's the little cupboard I was talking. I'm gonna pick the countertop today. Yep, so let's see what we are going to pick. Sorry about my camera angles and all of that. Everything's looking good otherwise. Really appreciate you guys. If you reach this far, just watch the finished product. Yes.
You can get the camera now. I'm not able to wait with you.
Yeah. So, all right, look, everything's looking nice. We want to pick something very soft. And, you know, there's so much stuff to choose from. We're just in the small showroom right now. The big showroom have so much stuff. But, yeah, everybody using a certain kind of stuff that we don't really want to choose. So, to choose, yeah, that one, we really like it. So I think this one's gonna be the countertop with the backsplash. Look at it with a nice little blue inside of it. That is beautiful. Yep, and then we need to pick another one. That's like a premium slab. That one. Everybody got something like that. We didn't really want to put anything that everybody really look. So yeah, that slab is the slab right there. That slab is gonna work the way in. All right, so thank you guys. Let's go back to the place now. Yeah, I think that's the shot. All right, see you back at the house. Okay, so this is the powder room. Yeah, and the powder room turned out pretty nice. All I need is some grout inside here, the vent cover, and that's it for this room. And the mirror. Yeah, so today we have our guys installing the countertop. I decided I'm not gonna touch the countertop to install this time, so you'll see. It is very heavy. These slabs was heavy, I tell you. So yeah, so that's what it looked like. Yeah, we have a lot of stuff around, but yeah. So that's the backsplash we put, and yeah, that's the final product right there. Just give you a little close up. I think I was moving too fast with the camera at the time, but yeah, everything looks stunning. Can't complain about that. Yep, so thank you guys. Subscribe, and thanks for watching. And yep, that is it. That's what we do at Nargid Home Improvement.